Hello everyone. Let's take a look at our 3-in-1 fiber laser welding machine, and I'll show you how to use it. So we are going to turn it on and operate it. First of all, spin this button, turn water chiller on, system, and laser. Don't forget to turn on the wire feeder. First of all, I would like to show you the controller. It has several languages, including English, Korean, Chinese, Russian. We will use English. First of all, we set welding. So let's try this machine in use. Here we have some metal, 1mm stainless steel. It's my first time welding. It has the red dot, allows you to aim. Take a look at the quality of this steel. It's welded really nice. So after welding, let's try the cutting mode. First of all, we need to select the cutting parameters. We go to the menu, choose Technology 1, Save, and return to the main menu. Then we deassemble the wire feeder and we change the nozzle. As you can see, it's quite easy to change the modes. Basically, it takes about a minute at most. Here is the nozzle. Easy to deassemble. So this one for welding. And this nozzle for cutting. Very well. Here we have the piece of steel. Here we have quite a thick metal. And now let's try cleaning mode. As you can see here, we already have rusty metal. First of all, we need to set the parameters and reboot. Press the system button and turn it on. Very well. Now we change the lens. Takes about a minute. Just need to unscrew 4 screws. Three and 4. All right. So at this section we have the focus lens. Here is the specific lens just for cleaning. There it is. Just change it. Don't forget to cover. And place all 4 screws back. Okay, after all these 4 screws are set, we need to take the nozzle off. very well. So you can see the laser beam. This is the and width of the cleaning area. Take a look at the quality of cleaning. The difference is quite obvious. Thank you. There was our 3-in-1 fiber laser welding machine.